I was doing a shot here in the window when some pine siskins jumped into the bird feeder here. I'm going to prove how ridiculously tame these things are. I mean, it's almost, you can't even technically call them wild. This is, no, they're not trusting. I don't know what it is, but I mean, check this out. Obviously, they're not even moving. They care less. I'm going to attempt to pick up this bird feeder with them still in it. As you can see, they're not even moving. I mean, it's truly unbelievable. I don't even know what to say to this. Look, I could pick up the bird feeder and put it back down on the sill. They could care less. They move very slowly. I don't even know what to make of this. I really don't. I've never seen anything like this in my life. All right. That's right. These are real wild birds. Live out in the wild. And they will not even get off the bird feeder with me holding it. Almost kind of takes the fun out of it. All right, let me put this back down on the shelf here. I don't know what to say. Get yourself some Pine Siskins.